In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Scribus. Now there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm gonna show you some of the most common ones. So I'm gonna go to up here, click on the text tool, and I'm just going to draw out a rectangle, and I'm simply going to type in hello there viewer, okay? Just like this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to highlight over this to select it, and then the first way you could edit this text is to right click, and down here it says properties. Now in here you're gonna have a few properties, but it's not really much. So what I would recommend is you go to right click and click on the content properties instead, okay? You could also press F3 and that's going to open up. Now in here you can change things like font over here. So if I go and change this like this, there we go. Then you can of course make it like bold or whatever type of font you want. You can change its size. So if I do 20 over here, it's going to work like this. Press enter when you're done to actually take effect. Here you have different options of spacing and stuff like that. Then you have things like alignments. You could go left, center, right, or whatever you want to do here. You can justify as well. Then you have the language over here. Of course, you have the default paragraph styles too, and then the default character styles as well. And then down here you have a lot of different things like color effects. You have the first line offset, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you can edit. You can just click on each and every single one of these tabs and change whatever you want. It's pretty self-explanatory what any of these tabs do. Now you can also close this and you can go to edit top left, and you can go to the bottom here where it says edit text with story editor. So you can click on that too, and then in here it's going to allow you to edit this text some more. So as you can see, if I go and kind of use this text in here, I'll be able to again change its size like this. I'll be able to go and basically select what font I'm using, whatever, and then whenever you're done you can just click on update text frame, and there we go, it's going to update as well. Okay, so you can use whichever method you want, whichever suits you best, or what I usually do, I just use a combination of all of these methods, and I can go ahead and edit my text however I want, whenever I want. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.